Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Mavenzo TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates 1, Siwelele 0. I'm joined by the kid with no sense.
How much?
It's James.
Fighting no one, fixing the African football.
That's right.
Stivo, yola, unshapa videos, Siwelele snokora, Pirates snokora. I got the reality TV kan mfethu. Utreke serious ntone mfethu. And Stivo, yola, talent ke batla royalty tsa ka fans wethu. Ke batla di video tsa ka fans wethu. I don't care about fame. Dai a ke rapele fame. Dai ke rekile ko Maraba start ka 20 ranta. A ke rapele fame Stivo. Ake ba rapele fame Stivo. Industrial change nanga change nanga wana modimo Stivo. Ene Nabi ari ko botse. Nabi a tsama ko Chiefs ka baka la performance. No ba nyaka motlhapisha ka madubula ka la mthuthu. Thuso ta re bjao. Oh Wadu, we try terminator. Khala sacrifice or Pirates win MTN 8. Thuso ta re bjao. Ribeiro ga tsama because of onyako dala ko Europe. Na rapile o tlhapisha no wa ko Sundowns. Thuso ta re bjao. And a PhD Tami khala supporta solos before tla go Pirates. Ke casted it ba supporta solos before tla go Pirates. Thuso ta re bjao. And a Pirates Pirates ke ba tsabi ke batla Nedbank Cup ya ke ile bankela yona ka handball ya Victor Letswalo ba re ke handball. Thuso ta re bjao. And a Pirates e reketse Avongile Tom M4 le panta la Louis Vuitton. Thuso ta re bjao. Thuso ta re bjao. Ke tla di tsebela ka nna ka re ke thuso nna ba ke hang out le bona. Thuso ta re bjao. And I'm a fans ke batla royalty tsaka. I'm a fans di change a sa re nka shop no ya re tloela ya siento. Thuso ta re bjao ke batla 23 million ya ka Stivo. Khala ke richa di 10k. Thuso ta re bjao. Le nna go le botse ngwa ro taile ke nyaope. Ngwa ro ja nyaope. Thuso ta re bjao. Stivo, ga re ba ntrepile ko Chiefs. Ba ntrepile ko Chiefs. Stivo, let's get into the game. Stivo, let me start by going back to my previous video where I mentioned the issue of Magalo not being in the preliminary squad, and I said it very well. That doesn't make sense for a nominee of the player of the season, the football of the season, leading in terms of assists last season, collected many men of the matches last season, not be in the preliminary round. It's a very football robbery, and what I like about it, people will always take us as fools when we talk, but I like that Hugo Broos listened and called the boy into the preliminary round, even if he doesn't go to the final squad. But it's fine for him to be in the preliminary round. It will act as a sense of motivation for him to keep going, that you have been recognized, you have been performing very well. It doesn't make sense for that kind of player not to be in there, Stivo. But being in there, it motivates him to do very well and keep it up this season, Stivo. Thank you, Coach Hugo Broos. You know, when we criticize, sometimes if they hear our things, then they correct their mistakes, then we come back and say it. Because there's no way that the past two games that are the one that influenced the coach to call him. It's just what people have been saying, Stivo. And also, let me just welcome a new signing, Otepo Mashilwane, that a player from Baroka just unfortunately went to Orlando Pirates and didn't have a good start. I think the problem is Stivo. You need to, as a coach, I always say this as a coach, you need to understand the difference between NFD football and PSL football. If teams from NFD, they could struggle getting to the Premiership, Stivo, how about a player? You can't just put a player who's from the NFD level, no experience of playing the top flight, Stivo, and just put him straight into the starting lineup, Stivo. You need to gradually introduce a player. Players do take time to be in the Nto. And as such a team like Orlando Pirates, the way there's high pressure, high expectation, high competition, such a player, it is tough for him to come and fit in the system just like instantly so, without no experience of playing at a higher team. So I think taking him to Sekhukhune, it's a very good deal, Stivo. When you get there, we know Sekhukhune doesn't have much high pressure. There's a room of making mistake at Sekhukhune compared to the higher teams. Because Kaizer Chiefs, there's no room to make mistake. At Pirates, there's no room to make mistake. There's always high expectation of results from the fans, Stivo. So from us, I think we'll allow him the opportunity to fit. We'll allow him the time to fit into the system. We won't do Wadu things. We will do the Tinkler things, Stivo. Get back into the game. I think.
They don't call him Diet for nothing.
Going back to the game, I think one thing about this game is Thibo. I think Maruma Gallants, the problem that they were playing too much behind the ball. They were playing too much defensively. Had four at the back. Siwelele, they had four at the back. They had so they had four at the back. Thibo in the middle, they had two defensive midfielders, Umukwana and this other guy who was playing there. I think they were too much defensive. Thibo, they were playing too much behind the ball, Stivo. The only forward, they had the likes of Abu Pule and Ohizo, whom is from also Sekhukhune, had a good very season at Sekhukhune. But unfortunately, we got a new striker, and at some point we just need to left off because of him to get game time, Stivo. But unfortunately, going forward, they didn't have nothing, Stivo. They didn't have too much impact going forward. There was only one chance that Pule got. He needed to pass the ball to Lunga, and Lunga to score the goal. But unfortunately, didn't have that mind of passing the ball. Going forward, Amaj that didn't have anything. Is the system Yamang, coach. He respects too much of the big teams. Siama is great against playing against the small teams. He collects points and everything. But against big teams, it's tough for him to win the games. He always play too much defensive football. Sometimes you don't need to play defensive football because you saw his left back and his right winger and the left winger. They were too much defensive. Potani, he was too much defensive. He was playing too deep, not going forward. In terms of Orlando Pirates, they had a very very good defense. Led by the likes of Siama and Mbogazi. Having a Ndule in the middle, Stibo. That's where it was difficult for Siwele to little bit break them in terms of defense, little bit to penetrate them. They didn't have the chance of penetrating them because they had the thing. The problem with Ndo is in the midfield, Stibo. I always say great coaches are being explain. If you're a great coach, we look at the spine of your midfield, Thibo. If you have a great midfield, then you're a great coach. If you can organize your midfield, then you're a great coach, Thibo. Coach Wadu, I think his system is not a system of playing the ball at the back, starting the ball at the back, as I told you in the previous game that they played again in Stellenbosch. It's a system of long balls. It's a system of relying on Hamba Sibelebele, Hamba Apolis. That's the system that they're playing, Steve. It doesn't allow a number 10 to play. I remember there's an interview that coach said that this system of Pirates doesn't allow a number 10 to play. Because you see, they put in Bargman Tito. He still fails to bring you what Tito has brought in that number 10. Yes, Tito had mistake, but we saw what he brings in the number 10. The time they even wanted to call him for him to get the number 10 jersey at Orlando Pirates, they saw what he can do at the number 10. But unfortunately, the current system doesn't allow him to play. Mbule once said at Sekhukhune United that you can't play, if I cannot play very well if you play in the long balls. And number 10 can never function in terms of the long balls. That's why, I don't know if coach said it, but we spoke about it. That's why Pirates wanted to go and look for an Andrida Jonah who can play as a sort of a false nine, because that's what the system allows him to play as a false nine in terms of the long balls and everything. The height is the impact. So this system doesn't allow a number 10 to be replayed. That's why you even see Emma Hopa getting in. Emma Hopa, which is a player, I question this player from the start, which position was he playing? Was he really a striker from the start? Because you see Umjida can play as a 10. That's why you saw him getting in, playing sort of as a false nine and managed to get you that assist. Remember, there's the very same assist that he brought against the one they were playing against. I think it was, I don't know, that team when they scored 3, where he assisted Tito Maswanganyi to score that goal. So I think maybe they need to play him. They need to play him and Mabasa play Ndo as a false nine. That's how you get the impact of the guy. But Apolis, I think he had a very very good game, Stibo, getting that goal. It's a very, very good goal, and he's a quality player, as you know. Koba Bafana, he always duelled very well, Steve. So I think even if they win their next 2 games, they won't be above Sekhukhune. That's the fact.
Tushotarabia.
And Sekhukhune will win. Oh, Tushotarabia.
The man of the match.
No, I think man of the match, I will give it to Apolis. I think he had a very, very good impact. in terms of getting that goal. Yes, Mbogazi, I saw him. He did what he always does each and every day, Steve. But I think Umjita Police had a very good impact in the game in terms of those long runs, tapping the ball and getting that chance, and you score that chance. Tango Steve.
At the end of the day, too short Arabia. Look up.
Oh, too short.